Good morning, everyone. I am Muhammad Yusuf, Department of Computer Science. My topic is functions in programs. First, what is function definition? A function definition is the part of a program where the actual work of the function is written. It contains the complete code that specifies what the function does, how it is process the data, and what value it returns. In simple words, a function definition provides the body of the function. It includes future function header as return type, function name, parameters, and opening and closing brackets, body of statement that perform the task, a return statement. If return statement, if the function returns a value, and here the explanation of the function definition. Integer, it is the return type. Add as the function name. Integer a and integer b as the parameters. And the body is the compute the sum. And the features of a function definition, it contains executable code. It must match the function declaration in return type and parameters. It may or may not return a value. It defines the behavior of the function. It is written only once but can be called many times in the function. And here the complete example in C. What is function definition? And next is function declaration also known as a function prototype. It is a statement that tells the compiler about a function before it is used in the program. It provides important information such as the function name, return type, and parameters, but it does not include the function body. And purposes of function declaration is informs the compiler about the function before it is used, helps perform type checking for function calls, useful when function definition are written after the main function, prevents error due to calling a function that is unknown to the compiler. And syntax of the function declaration is return type, function name, and parameters list. And what is the purposes of function declaration is helps the compiler understand the function name, return type, and parameters before it is called. And it is useful when the function definition is placed after the main function. And here the complete example of the function declare, and here the complete function declaration. And we discuss function call. Function call invokes the function. The values passed are called arguments. And what is the explanation of the function call is arguments should match the parameters and order. The function performs its task and return a value if any. And here the complete example of the function call is integer result and add. And general syntax of a function call, function name and arguments. Here the complete example of the function call. And finally conclusion, functions plays a vital role in breaking down a complex programming into smaller manageable units. A function declaration prototype informs the compiler about the function's name, return type, and parameters before it is used, and ensuring proper type checking and avoiding errors. The function definition contains the actual code and logic that performs the required operation, making the function work as intended. The function call is used to invoke the function, transfer control to it, and receive the output after execution. By using functions effectively, programs become more organized, readable, reusable, and easier to debug. The understanding the roles of the function declaration, definition, and function calls is essential for writing efficient and structured program in any programming language. And here is the complete function definition, function call, function declaration example in C. And I hope you are understand. Thank you.